I put some stuff here called hard as nails. I don't know if it will work, but we're going to see. It's just a matter of sealing this up properly and maybe get another tube there. I'm not even sure if this tube is any good. Okay guys, well, I've done a few things with this thing and it didn't work, so I've put this pipe on, see if it works this time. I got a bit of oil as well, so hopefully it'll work. And yeah, it was just a temporary fix I want you to do, but I can still take this off, it doesn't matter. So let's see if it works now. Okay guys, I've tried this many times. This is my last pallet for the Mammoth engine. So my friend has bought me this tube from his workplace. It's a scrap one, so I'm going to try it for the last time, and I've changed this around. I'll put it onto the next one now, so the engine should go this way around in theory. It's a bit stiff there, so we'll see how it goes.
This is our steam engine.
That's right. You want to like this? Like that there. Can you pull it? Like that there. Okay, stay there, stay there. Well done. Turn it off now. Good boy. That's more nice. So he's trying to work now. There we go in. There you go. Come here baby, have a look at this. Don't get too close to it, it's very hot. Look, it's working. So guys, I finally got it working, and I'll show you some failures I've had. Crazy failures. But what I realized, it has to be very, very, what do you call it, no leakage anyway, should I say. Is my steam engine working? I should put this on this side, so, oh dear. There you go. Watch out baby. Don't use this tube, it's rubbish. My mate bought me this and it works fine.
Yeah, but you can't use this one.
Don't. Oh dear, stopped. Let's steam up again.
Hello? Hello?
Stop it, Daniel.
Hello?
Stop it, baby.
Well. This one.
I'm sorry, but this man, this young boy is silly. Oh dear. I think this is a stiff side. If I put it back on here, it might work faster because the other side is not so stiff.